Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this sign from Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut the hanger off of it, and then I'm going to paint the first and the third slat on this with the color Deep Burgundy. And I'm just doing those two in that color, trying not to get any on the other ones. Once I have those painted, I'm going to paint the other two with the color Almondine. And again, just trying not to get any on that red. I also didn't do like the inside slats with any color either. I'm going to use some antique wax later for those. Once I have those both painted, I'm going to take this star that has like a tin backing on it. I'm going to rip the hanger off. Well, I tried to rip it off. I decided to cut it because it wouldn't pull off. And I'm going to paint the center of that star, and it's with the wooden center, with the color Deep Midnight Blue. And once I have that all painted, now I'm going to go around the edges of this star with just a black acrylic paint. And you can use any color black that you have. And I'm just going to go around and make sure that I get underneath the star so you can't see any of the silver. And just give that one quick good coat. I just need this for the next step so that you can't see the silver sticking through. Once I have that all painted black, now I'm going to take a cutting mat from Dollar Tree and I'm just going to set that down. And then I'm going to start putting some Mod Podge all along the black edges. I'm just putting a good coat of it on, making sure I get all the little nooks and crannies because I want all of this to be covered. So just get that all nice and covered with the Mod Podge. And then I'm going to take some cinnamon and just dump that on there. And I did it on this cutting mat so I can just pour the cinnamon right back into the container. And I'm going to repeat that process all the way around the whole star. Once you have that all covered with the cinnamon, you can let that dry, and then you can add another coat of Mod Podge if you want to. I did not. I just left it as is because it was holding on there really well. Next, I'm going to take some antique wax, and I'm going to go around and wax the entire sign. So I'm going to do the whole front. I'm kind of pushing into those little edge pieces in the middle, and then I'm going to do around the edge of the whole thing. So just go all the way around the whole thing, and you can do the back if you want. I didn't do the back of this because the back was really nice and clean, so I didn't think I needed to do that. So once I have that all covered, I'm going to let that dry as well. And that only takes a couple of minutes. Once that was dry, I'm going to take and put my star right in the center of my circle. I'm just going to add some hot glue to the back of this. And then lay that as centered as I can get it without measuring. And just kind of press that down, get it as centered as possible, and then hold it until it's adhered. Once I have that all on there, I'm going to take some rope, and this was one of the big ropes from Dollar Tree. I just kind of spun it apart so that I would have just a few of them together, and then I'm just going to push them through and tie them on each end. And I just really liked the way that looked once I had that on there. And then I'm just going to cut off the excess on either side. Then I took this burlap ribbon, and it's like window pane ribbon, they call it. And I'm just going to add a bow to the center of the star. And then once I have that on there, I'm going to add a rusty safety pin and bell. So I'm just going to put the bell onto the safety pin, and then I'm going to slide that right through the center of the bow. And I was thinking about adding a little tag that said USA, and you can do that if you want to. A little grubby tag would be super cute, but I kind of just liked it the way it was. So I left it like that. I hope you enjoyed this project. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.